Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing MOVA. In this video, we will show you how to use the P50 Pro Ultra robot vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. The list of accessories is as follows: robot vacuum, base station, power cord, base station ramp extension plate, dust bag, auto detergent compartment, 2 mop pad, washboard filter, user manual, cleaning solution. Preparation: remove the protective film from the base station and choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 5 centimeters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid-on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Install the base station extension ramp. Remove the protective film from the top cover, the sensors, and the camera, and pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the mop pads.
Mop pads installed.
Dock the robot. A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started.
Start charging.
Remove the dust tank cover. Pull out the auto detergent compartment on the left side, open the lid of the compartment and fill it with detergent. Please use only official detergent to prevent water clogging. Close the lid, install it back and close the dust collection bin cover. Remove the water tank and fill it with proper amount of tap water at room temperature. Close the lid and install the clean water tank back to the base station. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search MOVA Home in the App Store, Google Play Store to download the app. Open the MOVA Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number and click Get Code if you are registering with your cell phone number. Enter the verification code sent to you by MOVA. Set password for your account. If you use email to register, select your region, enter your email, and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to your mailbox by MOVA. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, email address login, MOVA ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Remove the top cover and scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the home page to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface, on app interface, you could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the spot cleaning button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds, and when you hear the voice prompt,
Waiting for the network configuration,
tick the checkbox and click Next. Click the button and join the hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot MOVA Vacuum XXX and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone to the router as close as possible, wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings on this page. Check about and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use map settings. Go back to the home page and click Go to the device page. Click the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings page, then click Voice Assistant to select the language of the robot voice assistant. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or just start All Cleaning by tapping Clean to build a map. In fast mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In all cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. On this page, you can edit the map and the special areas such as furniture, carpet, no-go zone, virtual wall on the map recognized by the robot. In the map editing page, if you have edited the furniture, you need to turn on the furniture icon in map display to see the furniture display and editing changes in the map. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. If your home has multiple floors, click Multi-Floor Map Management at the bottom to add other floors, and you can create up to 4 layers of maps. Multi-floor cleaning feature requires creating an independent map for each floor. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. There's no need to move the base station. Click on Create Map to start cleaning directly or use fast mapping. The robot will create a map of the current floor, then will return to the starting position after mapping is completed. After the map is created successfully, it is recommended to change the map switching method to intelligent recognition. When the floor needs to be cleaned, you can directly move the robot to the current floor and start new cleaning task. The robot will automatically recognize and switch to the current map. After the cleaning task is completed, the robot will return to the starting position. To activate mop pads during the cleaning process, you can manually move the robot back to the base station to trigger the cleaning of the mop pads, then put it back to where it left within 15 minutes to resume cleaning. Clicking on Virtual Threshold Ramp allows you to add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map in order to let robot act differently regarding different types of threshold, ramp. You could zoom in, out and drag the map. After you're done placing the threshold, ramp, click the upper right corner checkmark to save it. Please note that you should not set the passable threshold near any staircase, since it may cause damage from falls. After setting the threshold on the map, you can also click Curtain to add curtain area, then robot will try to clean areas under and behind curtains. First time use cleaning settings. Go back to the home page, click the water drop icon, then you can enter the Cleaning Genius page to set up the intelligent cleaning method. Click Custom to adjust suction power, mop humidity, and more. Back to the home page of the device, clicking the dock in the bottom right corner. You can set the base station function here. Note that noise may occur during high-speed rotation of mopping pads during mop washing. It's normal. Click the upper right ellipsis icon to access more settings. Enter this page to make more settings. This includes the AI-driven Mop Extend settings. You can turn on AI-driven Side Reach, AI-driven Mop Extend, Mop Extension for gap cleaning, intensive cleaning for furniture legs, and you can also set the frequency. You can also enter the Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance and turn it on for improved obstacle avoidance. If you have pets, go to Pet Care and enable Pet Recognition. You can set Auto Empty to High Frequency and others. Please note, AI recognition effectiveness improves with usage and software updates. In the Clean Genius mode, the robot automatically lifts the mop and vacuums when encountering carpets. For thicker carpets, you can enable Mop Detach mode in carpet settings. The robot will return to the base station to remove the mop pads before cleaning. You can also go to Settings, select More Functions, turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode, off-peak charging, resume cleaning mode and child lock. You can control your robot in the remote control. You can also access real-time camera to enable remote viewing. Quickly press the dock button 3 times. Click Settings on the app. Set a 4-digit password. This allows you to use the real-time camera function. In this way, you can remotely view the live recording of cleaning through the camera of the robot. You can click the camera button on the right side of the device's homepage and enter the password to enable this feature. You can also remotely control photo taking, video recording, or recharging. These are the instructions for the first-time use of MOVA P50 Ultra.